there's a growing concern about ancient pathogens, or time-traveling germs, potentially being released from melting Arctic permafrost. Imagine frozen grounds, packed with soil, sand, and rocks in regions like Greenland, Alaska, and Siberia, acting like time capsules, holding dormant microbes. But with rising temperatures, these microbes might just wake up. Researchers set out to explore the impact of these ancient viruses on modern ecosystems. Using digital simulations and a study from PLOS Computational Biology, they recreated the scenario of old viruses meeting today's bacteria. Surprisingly, a mere 1% of these viruses could cause significant chaos in digital ecosystems, either boosting diversity by 12% or slashing it by 32%. These tiny invaders not only persisted, but also evolved, destabilizing the system. The tool they used, Avita, played out a digital battle for survival. Picture a grid where bacterial life forms jostle for energy and space. With every generation, slight errors introduced variations, enriching the ecosystem. Enter the ancient virus, a parasite that drains energy from these bacteria, ultimately killing them. Now, does this mean a third of all life could be wiped out by some old virus? Not exactly. But experts, Giovanni Strona and Corey Bradshaw, warn that it's another layer of climate change risks. Recent studies like the 2022 NASA report on permafrost carbon release, or Professor Clavery's discovery of infectious zombie viruses in frozen grounds, underscore this threat. Extrapolating from Clavery's findings, Bradshaw and Strona projected potential consequences of these pathogens. While a 1% threat sounds minimal, imagine 4 sextillion cells escaping permafrost annually. That's a number beyond most people's grasp and way more than stars in our galaxy. As Bradshaw put it, the individual virus risk is rare, but the sheer number of potential viruses is staggering. These ancient viruses, according to Bradshaw, can be viewed like invasive species. Though most invasions fail, it only takes a few to upset an ecosystem. The 32% drop in species diversity doesn't imply the virus wiped out a third of all bacteria, but showcases a severe loss in variety. Viruses attacking their hosts had a domino effect. The balanced resource availability crashed, leading to a survival competition. If there were fewer predators, the prey thrived until resources dwindled. Too many predators, on the other hand, overhunted their prey. The root cause? Introduction of the ancient virus. Modern creatures, including us, might not be prepared for these old pathogens, but there's no need to panic. Dr. Kimberly Miner from NASA points out that there are more immediate climate crisis issues at hand, like reducing carbon emissions. The probability of infections from these ancient germs is still quite low. Sparse populations in permafrost regions, and the gradual melting of most cells during thaw, make widespread infections unlikely. Yet, sudden thawing of Arctic permafrost is a concern. With global temperatures on the rise,